If I had to start over on Etsy in 2025 and build a shop that makes $50K a month, I would focus on personalized print-on-demand products. See, customers love personalized products, and it's a great way to add that emotional bond to any listing that you create. And the best part is you don't need any inventory, and it's shipped directly either from the US or Europe. So no printing machine and no upfront cost. And I say this over and over again, and I will say it to you again. You need to understand that most Etsy sellers fail because they focus so much on products rather than who to sell it to and how to make their listings irresistible. This is why in today's video, I'm gonna break down what makes people buy and how to use that to your advantage, how to make your products stand out and get repeat buyers, and how to go from 0 to 50K a month without burning out. As I said, most people start by picking random products to sell and adding random designs to them. They're making the mistake of uploading ideas based on their gut feeling and not based on data. So stop doing that immediately. Instead, think of who your potential customer is and why they're going on Etsy. They usually go on Etsy to buy personalized, unique products. It could be a new mom, a busy daughter, or someone looking for that special gift. Etsy customers are always looking for thoughtful, personalized gifts for birthday, weddings, baby shower, graduation, anniversaries, the list goes on. They love unique products and are willing to pay extra for something that feels special to them. Take a look at any studio on Etsy. They sell personalized nursery wall art and have made over $1 million in sale. And that is why instead of selling generic items, focus on personalized gifts like custom baby blankets, engraved jewelry, or personalized printed wall art, for example. The best part, print-on-demand suppliers like Printify can handle the printing, customization, and shipping for you. Another misconception that people have is that to be successful on Etsy, they need to be pro designers or artists. But the truth is, with tools like Canva or playground.com, you now have access to pre-made templates, and you can also leverage AI like Leonardo AI. You can generate custom graphics with just a few simple prompts. It's much easier to start an Etsy business now than it was even 5 years ago. You can even sell personalized name-based designs. So use a specific font and upload the template with tools like Anywhere POD or LOcustom.io, and the entire process can be automated for you. So you don't have to do it manually for each order. It really is that simple. Go where the traffic is. I have mentioned this before. Stop going after unsaturated niches. You need to ensure that your products that you upload have plenty of traffic to increase your chances of getting sales. Let me show you an example. Notice how this bonus mom candle right here is averaging only $63 in sales per month, and this mom candle right here is generating 7,000 plus each month. Why the vast difference? Well, more people are looking for gifts for their mom, so don't fall for the trap of unsaturated niches. Saturation is actually your best friend. You just need to understand how to add emotions to your design, add aesthetic elements that are trending to get your designs seen. So the Etsy algorithm is much more sophisticated than we think. And if you have a listing that people just love, your listing will get seen with average SEO. Also, adding that personalized element will make all the difference. Emotion drives sales, and this is why personalized listings tend to outperform generic listings. Personalized listings make customer feel more emotionally attached with products that you sell. So it could be a blanket that includes the photo of their families. It could be a simple sweatshirt with the name of their kids or grandkids. Notice how this will grab your customer's attention much more vividly than just throwing a t-shirt with a cute design. Now, yes, you need to back up your ideas with data and understand what kind of designs are people buying, what is trending aesthetically, etc. And you can use tools like Everbee or CalData to help you understand what is actually getting sales. So don't get so caught up on niches or trying to reinvent the wheel and having an extremely unique design. Instead, stick to the basics and remember that emotions is what will drive those sales, because like I always say, the Etsy algorithm is much more sophisticated than we think. And if your products resonate with your customers, you will get those sales. Little pro tip to build even more trust and credibility, use Billo.ai to find micro-influencers who will showcase your product with video. Instead of wasting money on random ads, build more credibility through the help of influencers. Let's face it, Etsy is more competitive than ever, but if you focus on your customers' needs first and use AI and print on demand to automate the process, you can build a six-figure Etsy shop faster than ever. Start today, don't waste your time on things that don't work, and if you want more inspiration for products that you could sell online using AI, go and watch my best 7 digital products you can make using AI video right now. I'll see you guys later.